Is your Congress or Assembly boring and you want to change that? Here is how to pump it up. These are the 6 things you need to think about before you start Congress or Assembly. It's never easy to act when you never played a character before. That's why I suggest you to think about a character you are familiar with when you want to create your role. For example, I need to act an old lady. Think about an old person you know and how they walk, talk, or act. Don't be afraid of the silence on stage. The silence helps to create a better atmosphere. It's like a pause at the end of a sentence. The kids need time to process what has been said during skits. If there are any silence parts during Congress, they won't have time to digest your words. It might seem weird to talk to someone and have your body facing the public. It's really important to face the public because it helps them to hear you and understand you better. Half of your communication is expressed through your body language. Also, don't forget to go in the middle of the space. You need to express yourself. Talk to the concert with the DJ before Congress or Assembly and tell which music you want to have during your skit, what time it should start and when it should be stopped. You can even try a special signal so the DJ doesn't forget. Example, when I touch my mask, you turn on or off the music. You want to teach a song, cheer, or you are afraid the kids won't understand easily? Make a big sign and hang it up before Congress so they can read it before the skit begins, which will help you a lot. You have to teach a dance, but you are afraid that nobody will see your feet? Prep the Congress in a way where a maximum number of kids can be at the front. Put some duct tape on the floor if needed. There is no specific rules about how to prep the areas, except try to find the best way to have a smooth Congress. Of course, if you don't have fun, no one will have fun. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Hugo, aka Oogie. I am a site director at American Village. If you like the video and want to see more, remember to click on the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.